What's up, homies? It's your homegirl Natalie. First time dog mom, part-time connoisseur of indie Japanese music, full-time anime lover, and now a girl with a broken nail. Anyways, welcome to today's video. ASMR. A couple days ago, I picked up these pants. Now I'm just gonna blame the pressure of being trendy that when I saw these, I really wanted to buy them. What really sold it to me is that the original price of this was 60 bucks, but I got them for 23. This is probably something that you could DIY. Will I try? No. So for this video, I thought I'd try to justify my $23 that I spent on this, because after I bought it, I brought it home, I looked at it and I was like, huh. What the hell do I wear these with? I think also this video will give you a little bit of understanding on how I make outfits, I guess. Let's go. So the first look, I think I'm gonna go for something comfortable. I'm just gonna wear like a sweater, I guess. I don't know. Okay, Albie's looking over here like, girl, we going out? We going out? Sorry, boo, we ain't. I just realized I'm not wearing a bra, I'm wearing a whatever. Brown or what? I feel like I always end up going with the white. I'm not sure. This is my comfy look, even though I'm wearing heels, but I consider this comfy because we got this big old sweater. I'm okay to have my footwear look a little bit more stylish as long as this is comfortable, meaning that I can eat what I want, drink what I want, and it's okay because ain't nobody gonna see this. When you're dealing with like oversized anything and you're just like, okay, I don't want to look too much like a potato, what I just like to do, tuck in one side of my sweater so it kind of gives the sweater some type of form. Now he's just over there thinking we're gonna leave. Sorry, boy, we ain't. Because of these colors, they're a little bit difficult to kind of like pair them with something else, but I don't want to just do all neutrals. I want to make sure that I have like some things that are pattern clashing. What do you go with? What about this? The easiest thing would be just to go for solid colors, but I found a couple other different shirts. This might be my other outfits. So I'm gonna try something out. This might look like a giant fail or not. Let's see. No. This is a completely different look. What do you think? I mean, I got the hoops going on, I got the little scarf bandeau thing. I mean, who the hell is gonna be wearing this right now? Nobody. But what you could always do is just throw on a cardigan. There we go. We have kind of like both green going on, hoping that this goes okay. I'm not like 100% sold on it, but I'm sold on it enough to show it to you as my second outfit, so. Okay, I'm putting on these broken yes style sneakers. This is definitely not something that looks that cute on me, but I'm gonna try to do this combo for the young kids, you know, trying to stay hip and cool. My God. TikTok, 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 yeah. This is totally not my style. Oh my God, but I mean, I actually really love it. I mean, I think I look pretty cool. I'm also like, you know, I'm 29, still trying to keep up with the kids. I really love how this came together because all the colors match. So the green in the pants go with this green top that I have. It's just a regular crop top, but I just tucked everything inside my bra. Although like this outfit in itself, it's just a little shirt, jeans, and sneakers, but it looks really cool because you have pants with a really big statement piece to it. So I really like this outfit. So since we did like sporty-ish vibe, I want to go with more of a professional look. Oh. Okay, maybe. Ooh, how about this? Oh wait, I said professional, right? That's not professional. I'm gonna save these shoes for another look. Is this professional or like 70s vibes? You tell me. Okay, so it's 2020. What is professional nowadays? I don't know what industry you're working in, but maybe you're on a Zoom call and maybe this is only what you need. I think with the white button up, it would look maybe even better. I'm not sure, I'm just seeing it from the viewfinder. Okay, so I do like it without the blazer. Would this fly? Depending on your industry. Maybe this might fly, maybe this might not. And I also paired this look with more of an elegant earring. And I guess what would also make it more 70s than professional is if you have the collar tucked out or not. I really want to add in some color to this look, but I have this yellow and like a forest green. So I'm guessing the best color to wear with this particular pair of pants would probably be blue. So I just ended up bringing down some of the other potential tops for these looks, so let's go with this blue. So I ended up doing this thing. Kind of makes me think of like military pants. I don't know if I'm crazy for liking this combo. You let me know. Yes, no, you feeling it, not feeling it? I'm kind of feeling it, kind of. I don't know. This is an interesting look. Once I did this little like scrunched up look, it reminded me of like, I don't know, camel pants or something. That's what I was kind of feeling. Does that make sense? I don't know, but that's what I was going for. For the next look, we're tucking the pants outside and doing this flared thing again. So let's see how this looks. Look number, I don't remember, but went with the same shoes from the previous look and I paired it with a blue moto jacket and I just have a little white tank top. I don't really have much to say about this look other than I tried. Okay, so I'm trying to go for a colorful monochromatic look rather than just going with neutrals, which I know would be a lot easier. I don't know if this is doing it for me. No. Oh, I feel like it's gonna be a hard sell. Let's stitch this. What do I think about this? This is ribbed, this is corduroy, so they got all these stripes going up. Like my hopes and dreams going up and up and up. I was really trying to save this blazer for the monochromatic look. So we ended up switching out the boots last minute because it went a lot better with the corduroy blazer. I want to try to just put in some more color, so that's why I'm wearing this shirt and the beret also. Yeah, so this is our final look. So now we're finally going for that whole brown look. Oh my god, this looks so messy. Do not judge me, that's just how my place gets. Very simple look, but I knew it was gonna work out because we just went with one color. Brown boots, brown sweater, and like a burnt orange, kind of brownish beret, and I think it just all works. Yeah, I'm happy with this look. It's very simple, but still it makes these super bold pants work. Yay! I just changed into this beige top to see maybe we can get some type of neutral type of outfit. I'm gonna throw on that sweater vest that I tried on beforehand and see if that works. Let's see. Thus far, this is not convincing me, but I'm gonna try on the shoes and see if it puts it together. What if I wear a hat? And beret, she did try on. I think it made everything go together. The green goes with the green in the pants. I think the button-up wasn't like shiny. If it was just matte, that probably would work better. But you know, we're working with what we got. And I think it still goes because of this hat. Without it, I'm kind of like, I don't know. With the hat, I'm like, okay, I see what she was going for. She has in me. The best thing you can do for yourself, especially now, is just to experiment with your clothes. Try things out with clothing. So yes, here's this look. So for our final look, we're gonna go for the easiest, most basic thing that you can do with a bold statement piece, and that is, that's right, pair it with all neutrals, specifically black. I think because we've already done a couple blazers in this video, right? We've done 2, 3, and a moto jacket. I'm gonna go with the fuzzy cardigan instead. All right, I got a couple black pieces, and let's see how this goes together. I don't know whether I wanted to do a sweater or a shirt. Okay, this looks good. We're gonna put a hat. I really want to. Oh, this looks really cute. All right, let's just double check. I like this look, but with the cardigan, it does not look cute. So we're gonna switch it out. And now our final look. We went with all black, the easiest way that you could piece an outfit together. So as you can see, I was able to pair a little bit more accessories, a hat, and even a scarf, just because it's all black. So it's not adding too much. It's not like super distracting. There we go, our final look. So here's little baby Albie for you guys. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which outfit do you think was your favorite. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope this video finds you safe. Please make sure to wear a mask when you are going outside. And that's it. Ciao. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Abuse. He says abuse. You know what? He just wanted to sit on the pile of clothes. You sneaky, sneaky boy. Sneaky, sneaky boy. Okay. Ciao.